Wordsmiths, greetings. You've found yourself in a place unlike other places, a place of learning, a place of language, a place we call the vocabulary zone. Here, the unclear becomes clear, new words become familiar words, and you become a vocabulary expert. We're going to look at 3 words today: foundation, reinforce, and maximum. I'll define the words, we'll break down the words, and then at the very end we'll use those words in some sentences. Let's begin. Foundation, it's a noun. It means a layer that forms the base of a building or a structure, or a factor or idea on which something is based. So a house sits on a foundation, right? A slab of rock or stone or concrete, so the house can sit right and not sink into the earth. That's a literal foundation. But to use it in that second sense, figuratively, we can say our business rests on a foundation of trust, or something like that. And as we all know, trust isn't rocks. I am very smart. Reinforce is a verb, and it means to strengthen something by adding to it. To go back to concrete from the foundation example, lots of concrete buildings have steel rods in them. Maybe you've seen this when you've walked by a construction site. This is called rebar, or a reinforcing bar. You pour the concrete around the reinforcing bar to make the concrete stronger. And finally, maximum. This is both a noun and an adjective that means the most or the highest or greatest amount. Let's break these words down. Foundation comes from found or fund, meaning base or bottom, and tion, which is a noun-forming suffix. So it's the thing that makes up the bottom of something else. If you are the founder of something, you were there at the beginning. You built the first layer, and maybe you understand the most basic, important aspects of your field, the fundamentals. Reinforce comes from re, in, and the root fort. Re meaning again or more, in meaning in, and fort from the Latin fortis meaning strength. You've seen this root in force and forceful, but other words that use that fort root are things like effort, comfort, fortress, doing things out of strength, sharing strength with others, a big strong castle, right? Maximum is just straight up a Latin word. It means the greatest or the most. It comes from the adjective magnus, meaning big, so our root for this is actually magn, M-A-G-N. And while max is a relatively uncommon word part in English, we have the proper name max from Maximus or Maximilian. There are a lot of words with magna in them. Magnify, like a magnifying glass, makes things bigger. Magnificent, meaning wonderful, capable of big things, or magnitude, meaning bigness, largeness. Let's use these words in some sentences. Well, the engineer said, the foundation is crumbling. I don't expect this building to stay upright longer than a year. This is the literal use of foundation, so it's the base that the building sits on. When I learned we were sailing through squid territory, I reinforced our sailboat with steel plating, right? I strengthened it. I added steel plating to the sailboat to make it stronger. Excuse me, the maximum capacity of this sailboat is 4 persons or fewer. You'll need to get out. Unfortunately, the steel plating did not keep the squid away, but the maximum capacity, the largest number of people that can fit on the boat, is 4. So the squids gotta go. And I too must go, wordsmiths. Thank you for joining me on this journey to a place beyond place, to a universe beyond human comprehension, to the vocabulary zone. I'll see you in the next one. You can learn anything. David out.